Hello, we're Stark.
So, for our large and varied audiences at home, perhaps you could introduce yourself.
So I'm Sally, I'm Stark's EV product manager. So what would you say Stark Charge is?
I'd say Stark Charge, it's our proposition for EV, and it's a full end-to-end EV proposition that starts with site surveys and consultations. We use our expertise on things like funding and what power capacity people have at their sites, for example, and also look at their requirements and what their charging needs are going to hopefully grow into. And then we propose a EV charging solution that's best for them. And we can use our full end-to-end install capabilities. So we're, not to get too technical, but we're a registered ICP.
What does that stand for?
Thank you, I'm glad you've asked. Independent connections provider, and that means we can connect up to the local DNO.
Distribution network operator.
Thank you. And get power running to, first of all, to a meter, and we're actually now able to install meters as well. And then we also install the charge points ourselves as well, using our network of engineers.
So how long do you think it takes from start to finish, do you reckon?
If someone requests a site survey, they normally have a site survey date booked within 2 days, a site survey actually completed within 11 days of that initial request.
That's our current. Yeah, we'll make sure that we've booked our survey within a couple of days of getting that request through. Generally, that'll be between 1 and 2 weeks. As soon as we've got a quote accepted, we'll aim to get a contract out to them within 5 working days. But yeah, depending on like us getting hold of equipment and stuff will vary. And I guess like obviously it depends on the site and access and when they're around and they can have the install.
Tell us about what new and exciting things are in store for Stark Charge.
One of the main things we're working on at the moment is introducing data disaggregation into EV. So what that means is being able to separate your building and your EV consumption. So the energy that's being consumed through your charge points versus the energy that's being consumed through your building. Where charge points are installed, most sites, like behind the main incoming meter, that means that you're going to see your electricity consumption like going up at your building. But all the people using their current energy management platforms aren't going to know why it's gone up. They'll just know that they've installed some charge points, it's gone up, but they don't know like any of the data they had before about like, has it gone up because I've left the lights on or because I've got the dishwasher running or the heating on. So being able to see exactly how much of that is from EV and when is sort of a really powerful tool that I guess sets us apart from other charge point operators. That's the most exciting thing, I think.